You'll start with the basic.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a very good Friday evening to all. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking more rain and snow showers that could impact part of your weekend. That's not the case right now in downtown Utica, though. We do just have a lot of clouds. Current conditions right now, 45 degrees. The wind's out of the east-northeast at 6 miles an hour, making it feel like 42. And temperatures will come down a few more degrees as we go through the overnight hours. Headlines include mostly cloudy skies tonight with scattered rain and snow showers, especially toward after midnight, 1 a.m. or so. And as we go through the day tomorrow, the rain and snow showers will be continuing. And then as we go through Sunday, we'll be dealing with not only brighter, but also drier and milder conditions. So Sunday, definitely looking like the better of the two weekend days, not only in terms of sky conditions, but in terms of temperature. Tomorrow will be around 46. That's around 10 to 15 degrees below average with showers and breezy conditions. It's still breezy on Sunday, but at least we'll have a lot of sunshine, partly cloudy skies, and temperatures will be on the rise. It'll be around 55. Still a little bit below average, but not as much as we have been over the last couple of days. We do have some light rain right now over northwestern Oneida into portions of Lewis, as well as northern Herkimer counties, but that's the exception and not the rule. Most of us are dry for the time being, but our next storm system is down toward our south. It's an area of low pressure currently located off the Delmarva Peninsula. As it slides up toward the north and east, it'll be to the east of Long Island tomorrow, east of Cape Cod and New England as we go through Sunday, and by Monday it's up into the Canadian Maritimes, but tomorrow is definitely the day that we're going to be impacted by it. So futurecast showing us increasing clouds, scattered rain and snow showers again toward and after midnight. Rain for most of us, but there will be some snow, especially in portions of Otsego County. Down through the Catskills, there could be 2, 3, 4, 5 inches, and then a little bit less than that in the Adirondacks, and again, mostly rain for the rest of us. And then as we go through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, the rain will come to an end as that storm exits up toward the north and east. We'll have a lot of clouds tomorrow night into Sunday morning, but Sunday, again, we will see a lot of sunshine, especially in the afternoon. Monday, we do increase the clouds once again. It's mainly dry and a lot nicer, though. 64, that's the warmest day that we've had in several weeks. It doesn't last long, though. Tuesday is tax day, and we do have a lot of showers on the table that day. 51 for the high, and then look at this, well below average temperature-wise as we go through Wednesday with partly cloudy skies and the chance for snow in the morning, 39. We do start a moderating trend, though, once again. It's mainly dry and milder, 49 for the high, and then Easter is Easter weekend starts next Friday, and right now it looks wet and warmer to start with a high of 56. So definitely something we'll be keeping our eye on here the next couple of days. It looks like after that, though, that's when we could finally break this cool and wet trend, and we finally could see some milder weather here, just not right now.
And Jordan, I noticed there 64, a little bit warmer than we initially thought for Monday, right?
Absolutely, yeah. It looked like we could see the low 60s. Now it's looking more like the mid 60s for most of us.
I'll take that and the increased sunshine next week. Thank you, Jordan. Coming up next on Eyewitness.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And welcome back to all. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking more rain and snow showers to start your weekend, and a breeze and a lot of clouds out there as well. That's the case right now in downtown Utica. Still, as of the 11 o'clock hour, 43 degrees, winds out of the east at 6 miles an hour, making it feel like 39. Temperatures will drop into the 30s as we go through the overnight hours. We'll also have a rain arriving as well, and after midnight, that rain will switch over to snow in the higher elevations, both to the northeast and to the southeast. But the good news is that overall travel impact will be minor because of the fact that it's a weekend as opposed to a weekday, and we're not dealing with a lot of snow. Temperatures for most of us during the day tomorrow will make their way into the lower, if not the middle, and in some cases the upper 40s, which is warmer than they have been for most of this week, but still about 10 to 15 degrees below average in some cases. But it gets even better by the time we get towards Sunday. Most of us will be into the lower and middle 50s, which is still a couple of degrees below average, but certainly better than it has been. And when you get to the 7-day forecast, you'll see that Monday gets even better, and Sunday is also definitely the brighter of the two weekend days. We have some of that rain moving in right now down toward the south and east and up toward Lewis County. It's light to moderate in nature, but that'll change as we go toward and after midnight, and we switch that over to snow in some areas. As we take a look at the satellite and radar, we do have an area of low pressure located over the Virginia Tidewater to thank for All of this inclement weather heading our way tonight and into tomorrow. By tomorrow, it'll track up to the east of Long Island. It'll be up to the east of New England by Sunday, and it's up into the Canadian Maritimes by Monday, so well away from our area. But as we go through the next few hours, we will increase the clouds and increase the chances of rain and snow. You'll notice it'll start as snow down toward the south and off toward the east, and especially up in elevation. Think above 1,000 feet is where we'll see that snow. And you could hang on to the snow a little bit longer in portions of Otsego County and up into the Adirondacks, especially into the Catskills. You'll notice there could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches of snow there. But the good news is that it all shuts off by tomorrow night into Sunday morning. And we'll just be dealing with a lot of clouds through Sunday morning, but then we'll see some sunshine developing by the afternoon. For most of our area, it's up to an inch with the exception of Otsego County and maybe southern Montgomery County south of the Thruway, where you could see as much as 1 to 3 inches, and you hang on to that snow a little bit longer. And I finally have some good news to report in the extended temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. It looks like from April 29th or April 19th through the 25th, we may see some above average temperatures. That's the first time we've seen above average temperatures on the 8 to 14 day outlook in some time. 34, mostly cloudy, scattered rain and snow showers during the overnight hours, and then breezy with rain and snow showers during the day tomorrow as well. 46, and then as we warm up through Sunday, 55 with temperatures breezy as well. And then as we go through Monday, we'll see a lot of clouds, 64.
I'm definitely looking forward to a bit more warmer temperatures with that climate outlook, Jordan.
Absolutely, me too.
Yeah. All right. Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 11.